Today, we're diving into a topic that's costing businesses thousands, even millions of dollars without them even realizing it. It's a silent business killer hiding in plain sight: your domain reputation. Think of your domain reputation like a credit score for your email address. Every time you send an email, internet service providers like Google and Microsoft are watching. They're tracking how many people open your messages, click your links, reply, or even worse, mark you as spam. Just like a credit score, a higher score means you're trustworthy, and a lower score signals a risk. So, what happens when your domain reputation score drops? Your emails, the ones you spent hours crafting, start getting routed directly to the spam folder. Or worse, they get blocked entirely and never even reach the recipient. You think your message has been delivered, but it's vanished into the digital ether. You're essentially invisible to a growing portion of your audience. Let's put this into perspective. Imagine you have an email list of 50,000 subscribers. You launch a new product, and you're expecting a great response. But what if a low domain reputation means 20% of those emails never make it to the inbox? That's 10,000 potential customers who never even saw your offer. If your average sale is $50, that's a potential loss of $500,000 from a single campaign, and this isn't a one-time thing. It happens with every single email you send, compounding your losses over time. And by the way, your in-house email guy? Yeah, this is happening right under his nose, but he doesn't tell you and he doesn't know how to fix it either. What causes this reputation to tank? It's a minefield of potential missteps. Sending emails to outdated or invalid addresses results in a high bounce rate, which is a major red flag. Blasting your entire list with the same generic message instead of segmenting your audience can lead to low engagement and high unsubscribe rates. A sudden, massive increase in sending volume can look suspicious. Even the technical setup of your domain, things like SPF, DKIM, and DMARC records, plays a huge role. If they aren't configured perfectly, you're starting at a disadvantage. It requires constant vigilance, specialized tools, and a deep understanding of how different email providers interpret your sending behavior. You need to be able to analyze deliverability reports, understand bounce codes, manage sender block lists, and strategically warm up new IP addresses. It involves gradually re-engaging your most active subscribers, meticulously cleaning your lists, and slowly rebuilding that trust, one email at a time. All the while, your sales continue to suffer. You're losing money every day that you're stuck in the spam folder. And if you're paying a remote employee hourly to do your email job, that just means you are paying someone to be a gamer on your dime. They'll do just enough to get by, but meanwhile, they are just coasting on the company clock. This is where having a dedicated authority in your corner makes all the difference. At FireRoot Marketing, this is precisely what we do. We are the experts in the science of email deliverability. We don't just send emails, we ensure they arrive. Our team uses sophisticated monitoring tools to watch your domain reputation around the clock. We proactively identify potential issues before they can harm your score. We manage your technical infrastructure, optimize your sending practices, and implement proven strategies to not only protect your reputation, but enhance it. Think of us as the guardians of your most valuable marketing channel. We handle the complex technical side of email marketing so you can focus on what you do best, running your business and creating great products. We ensure that when you hit send, your message lands in the inbox, ready to be seen, clicked, and converted into sales. Don't let your hard work go to waste by landing in spam. Stop losing sales you don't even know you're missing. If you're ready to protect your revenue and ensure your emails are actually getting seen, it's time to take action. Let us show you what's really happening with your emails. Visit FireRootMarketing.com right now to book your free, no-obligation 15-minute strategy call. We'll take a look under the hood and give you a clear picture of your domain's health. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more essential marketing insights. We'll see you on the call.